Hi there! In this video, I will give you a quick guide on how you can hide what game you're playing on Discord. So please listen carefully to each step that I will be doing and explaining. So once you're on your Discord, what you will have to do is click this gear icon right here which says user settings, and then just look for activity privacy or something similar to that terminology. So it's here. So what you will have to do is just click it, and now that you're here, what you will have to do is toggle off the display current activity or this. So it really depends on what kind of terminology your layout has. So what you will have to do is basically just toggle it off. So if it is on, you will just simply off it or disable it. So that's basically just it. And I really hope this tutorial helped, and make sure to like and subscribe for more videos like this. Thank you and have an awesome day.